Hey guys, I'm here once again to show you a few things about cleaning your LG heat pump air filter. Here, it's getting cold. We had snow yesterday, and now it's getting to the time where your heat pump will be needed to give you the best heat service. So the first thing you can do here by yourself, DIY, you don't need a technician, is make sure that this filter is clean. If it's clogged with dust, then you wouldn't get the best service from this unit. So just to quickly show you how you can move this filter out and get it cleaned up and fix it back in. Now, for this guy to work maximally, there must be air getting into the unit from this point. And that's the reason there's this air filter, so that dusts wouldn't get into the unit. So the first thing you have to do is to make sure that you do cleaning, adequate cleaning of this filter, especially if you live in an area that is so dusty or whatever. So to get this filter out is what I'm going to show you quickly, and it's a simple thing. Now, if you look at this point, you see that there's a point here, and go this way, there's another one. So these are the keys that keeps this filter intact. So let's get it out. First, at this point, you might need both hands, but because I'm holding the camera, I'll be using just my hand, one hand. So what you do here is push this a little back and lift it up. Come over here, push it a little back and lift it up. You can see now it's up. Now remember that at the back, it's clicked in here at the back also. So you just need to be careful. Since this point is up, you can now lift the back and pull it out. So here is it. It's out here. Be careful with that so that you don't break those keys. Now, since if you look at my net or this filter, it's actually clean. I did some cleaning maybe about 2 months back. I plan to do another cleaning maybe next month, just to make sure that it's free for air to flow easily. So now you got this out, take it to your bathroom anywhere, get it washed. Soft brush will do. Do not use hard brush. Do not use iron. Do not use metal. Just use something soft to get it cleaned up. Now, after cleaning up, you want to reinstall. So, but make sure that when you're reinstalling, start from the back. When we wanted to get it out, we started from the front, but this time we'll have to push it to the back first. And if you see those points, you'll see that this little point here gets into the right place. So when that is done, just drop it. And when you drop it, push it a little back the same way and push it in. Push it a little back, push it in. And just make sure that it clicks. You'll hear those clicks to show that it's sitting properly. And that is it. Your filter is clean and you have just reinstalled that filter. Make sure you do this adequately to be sure that air gets into this point freely. If that is done, then you have the best service, best heat from this unit. So what I have here is the LG dual inverter. If you like this video, if it's helpful to you, please like, make your comment and share with your friends. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to clean the outer unit, at least something you can do yourself before you get professionals to come and do the general cleaning. But for this, Have a good day. Thanks and bye-bye.